everyone, Violetta here. Today I'm going to show you how I did those double braided fluffy festival buns. If you want to see how I did that hairstyle, please keep on watching and you'll see. Start by parting your hair in the middle. Leave some hair to frame your face if you like to. I am leaving these pieces out because I intend to curl them later. You may use clips to secure the front pieces so that they are not in your way. Please try to not get distracted by all the singing you will see in this video. Tie one half of your hair with elastic so that it's not in your way. Brush your hair very well and tie it in a high ponytail. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Make sure that the two ponytails are even. I am using this Taft Instant Volume Powder and gently massaging it into my ponytails. You may skip this step if you want to, but we need volume for this hairstyle and my hair is pretty flat. This is just the hair in the top of your ponytail. Now do the exact same thing on the other side. Now rock out those ponytails! Gently brush your ponytail just enough to smooth it out, but without destroying the volume that we just created. Start creating the fishtail braid under the hair that we just teased. Divide the rest of the ponytail into two equal sections. Take a big chunk of hair from the back of one of the sections and add it to the other section. Now take a big chunk of hair from the other section and add it to the first one. Continue doing so until you reach the end of the ponytail. For this hairstyle, you want to use big sections to do the fishtail braid. Now what we want to do is create some volume in the top of the ponytail and use it to form our bun, and the rest of the ponytail we will make into a fishtail braid, which we will use to decorate our bun with. Secure the end of the braid with a hair tie. Now do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Now gently pull on the braid to create more volume. You can see that I am creating more volume on that side of the braid that will be on the top of the bun. In this case, it's the hair that I am pulling out with my right hand. You may want to use more volume powder for this step. Okay, now the fun part. Once you're satisfied with how fluffy your braid is, start shaping the bun by wrapping the braid around and using bobby pins to secure it. My advice here is to first shape the bun and pin it in place, and then use the end of the fishtail to decorate the bun with and pin that in place too. Now do the exact same thing on the opposite side. This step is optional, but you may use some hairspray to secure the buns. We're going to curl the front pieces using my Remington Shine Therapy wand. A tip from someone who has been burned literally: always use a glove to protect your hand. I'm curling just the ends of the front pieces, starting around the level of my ear. As you can see, I'm gently squishing the curl in my hand and then brushing it with my fingers. And that is because I am looking for something more of a wave and not much of a curl. You may add some shine spray to the curls to loosen them up a bit, or you may spray them with water. Congratulations, because we are done! Yes, as simple as that. Those buns are not going anywhere. See you again. Don't forget, comment, like and subscribe if you want to see more from me. Oh, she's